So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to pay off a credit card using the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go into your Visa or your MasterCard or basically into your credit card account. Or another way you can do that as well is to go to the bottom and press on the yellow button. Once you press on the yellow button, you can go to where it says transfer between accounts and do the exact same thing that way. But as I mentioned before, I'm going to go into my Visa for this demonstration. So once you're into your Visa right here, if you want to see the balance that you have or the balance that you want to pay off, what I want you to do is to actually where it says transactions right here, right above that it says make a payment, simply go ahead and press on that. Now once you're here, you have four different options. There's custom amount, current balance, statement balance, or the minimum amount. So you can go ahead and press on whatever you want for this demonstration. I will just press on custom amount. On the custom amount page, what you can do now is actually select the account. So for example, in my case, I'd be using my checking account to pay off my credit card. Type in the amount. So for this demonstration, if you wanted to pay off, I don't know, $10, you could just do $10. Make sure it goes to your Visa or the credit card and then press on continue once you're done. And that's how you guys can pay off your credit card this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to pay off a credit card on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.